Water benefits all things without contention. Water cleans all things without being tainted. We listen to the surging of mighty rivers, and we guard the purity of clear waters and blue skies. SanFeng holds quality as a conviction, infusing craftsmanship into every detail. SanFeng-Tech's MVR evaporation systems, multi-effect evaporation systems, freezing salt separation systems, mother liquor drying, and other products are technologically leading across various fields, earning the deep trust of clients and injecting momentum into environmental protection. Guided by the principles of meticulous innovation, artisan manufacturing, and integrity-driven vision, SanFeng-Tech is committed to becoming a respected provider of environmental system solutions in zero discharge and resource recovery. Expert-level engineering problem-solving capabilities, a highly professional technical team, a robust quality assurance system, and a customer-centric service philosophy serve as the foundation, focusing on delivering superior system solutions. SanFeng-Tech has provided turnkey engineering services to multiple industries, boasting extensive engineering design experience and powerful integrated engineering capabilities. Artisan-style manufacturing craftsmanship. SanFeng implements redefined management throughout the entire manufacturing process, achieving seamless integration of process design and equipment fabrication. With a production base of over 20,000 square meters for evaporation equipment, an intelligent titanium equipment manufacturing system, we rigorously ensure product quality. Steward-style follow-up management. SanFeng-Tech persistently adheres to the principle of client supreme. We provide full process product management services, integrating R&D, design, production, installation, and commissioning, and delivery into one seamless system, ensuring efficient product delivery. SanFeng-Tech's zero-discharge solutions have been widely applied across industries, including coal chemical, coking, mine water, new energy, power, petrochemical, hazardous waste disposal, pesticide, dyeing, and pharmaceuticals. Every trickle converges into surging power. Every effort safeguards clear waters and green shores. SanFeng-Tech joins hands with clients to build a green ecosystem and create a brighter future.